Hey guys, this is Nicholas. Today is the day. Today is September 24th, 2021. Today is the official launch day of the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro. Without further ado, let me just go ahead and unbox it for you guys. The one I bought is the iPhone 13 Pro Max Sierra Blue color, 128GB version. Retail price is $1,099 before tax. Ever since Apple stopped including the charger and earbuds last year, the box is way thinner than iPhone 11 and older. Apple branded it as an approach to save the environment, but the real motive is to cut their shipping costs by almost half. So with all these cost savings, Apple doesn't even lower the iPhone price by 1 penny. What a cheap ass. Anyways, let's go ahead and open it, shall we? I believe that we don't even need a knife for it. Apple is an expert in packaging. All we need to do is to peel off the paper strip on both sides of the box. No more plastic wrap like the old days, so that is good for the environment. The box looks really good and it feels super solid. It's definitely a box that I'm gonna keep. My first impression of this phone is that I really love this Sierra Blue color. It's a color in between silver and sky blue. It's a brand new color this year and it's only available for the Pro. Next, let's also unbox the accessories, which we only have two. I believe that at some point in the future, these two guys will be gone as well, in the name of environmental protection. Alright, let's take a closer look of the phone itself. The front is a 6.7 inches screen. The side is made of stainless steel in blue color. The back is the Sierra Blue color you wanna show off. Here is the other side of the phone, and here is the bottom of the phone. And here is the top, all in stainless steel. It definitely feels like a premium phone, from both material qualities and aesthetics. Next, let's check out what kind of rubbish that Apple also includes for us. Here we have a safety menu that no one will give a damn about. We also have an ejector pin, which we probably don't need it in the future when all cellular carriers transition to the eSIMs. Last but not least is the charging cable. This year, Apple made it a really big deal that the new iPad mini finally transitioned to the USB Type-C port. However, Apple was radio silent on the port of the new iPhone 13, so no surprise to me that it's still keeping the antique Lightning ports. How hypocritical Apple is, keep talking about environmental protection, yet reluctant to shift to a universal port when pretty much all other cell phone manufacturers have done so. Next, let's also unbox the protective case that I bought from Amazon for less than 16 bucks. Because I want to show off the Sierra Blue color of my phone, so I bought a case that is completely transparent. If you searched on Amazon or eBay, there are so many different brands. So this one I bought is from ESR. It has quite a lot of good reviews on Amazon. I'll provide a product link in the description below if you are interested. The packaging is not as elegant as Apple, but who cares? Wait, what is this piece? I don't think it's included in the product description where I bought it. Looks like it's a cell phone stand. Suddenly feels like I get a bonus. I don't even know where I should put it. Anyways, let's just throw it aside for now and focus on the protective case. Alright, let's remove the protective case of the protective case. Look at it. It's crystal clear. Next, let's put our brand new iPhone into the protective case to see whether it fits. This case is surprisingly slim and lightweight. ESR claims that it provides hybrid protection. I have no idea what it means. But this case just looks perfect for my brand new iPhone. See, it reveals the true color of the new iPhone. It also has extrusions along the edges that provide extra protection for the screen as well as for the cameras. Now I can walk on the street proudly like I have a foot-long dick. Last but not least, let's also unbox the magnetic wireless charging cable that I bought from Satechi. The reason I bought it from Satechi is because the MagSafe charger from Apple is $39, but This one from Satechi is only $30. Besides, I think Satechi's design is as good as, if not better than Apple. In terms of accessories, this wireless charger provides 7.5 to 15 watt fast charge. The cable is 1.5 meter long, with the magnetic grip on one side and the USB Type-C connection on the other side. Let's put it on to make sure it stays. Perfect, it stays even with the protective case on. I'm super happy with everything I bought today. Oh, one more thing, we almost forgot about this guy. It looks like just a piece of cheap plastic, but let's check it out how it works. Let me remove the magnetic wireless charger for now and put my brand new toy on this stand. Nice, it holds pretty steady. Big shout out to ERS for giving it out like a bonus surprise. Finally, let's put the magnetic wireless charger back. Perfect. I'm a very happy man today. Super excited now. No need to take any Viagra tonight. So there you have it. 3 unboxing in one video under 7 minutes. We unboxed the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max Sierra Blue 128GB version. We also unboxed the protective case that I bought from Amazon for less than $16. Lastly, we unboxed the magnetic wireless charging cable from Satechi. If this don't give you a morning wood, I don't know what will. Anyways, if you are new here and if you enjoy this type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you are getting any value from this video, I would greatly appreciate if you can give me a big thumbs up below. Thank you very much for watching and thank you very much for your support as always. Please stay safe and healthy. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye for now.